Good morning, respected sir and respected madam, and all my future engineers present here. Good morning, guys. No energy. More loudly. Okay, thank you. So, myself, G. Anusha, along with my teammates Devi, Lavanya, Sabir, and Bhogi, and we are here to represent Team 3. And today, the topic or subject we picked is DBMS. Just a minute. It's visible? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so anyone just stand and give me the full form of DBMS? Anyone? Anyone stand and give the answer? One quickly. One. Very good. I appreciate her. It's database management system. So here I want to continue further by going by word. Okay. So let's start with D. So as we learned in childhood, D for yes. Okay. D for dog. When it comes to here, D for okay. What is data? Yes, right. So data is a collection of raw facts which can be processed to produce information. Right. Okay. We complete D. What is DB? Yes. DB means database. It is a collection of interrelated data which can be stored and processed for further information. Right. So any live example in real life of database? Anyone? Yeah. More. Okay. How many of you use Instagram here? Maximum everyone use. So yes, it is also an example of database. Okay, so database means storing of information or data. Yes. So we have other ways also of storing data, like files we have. So why not files? Why database? Anybody can say any difference? Stand up and speak. Yes, right. Means it minimizes storage, right? Okay. Any other? Any other? No problem. You can speak up. No answers. Okay, good. Any more? No more? Okay. I can tell as per my knowledge, in files we have less security, like unauthorized access. Whereas in compared to DBMS, there are only authorized access. It means we have security. If there is security, we'll also have privacy, right? We'll take example of Instagram only. Okay, we search for a username, but we don't get access to their account until they accept our request. So it's an example. Then, as you said, it doesn't create duplicates. Means data redundancy. In files, there is data redundancy. Their duplicates are created. If there are duplicates, where I was stop, yeah, okay, privacy. So we get privacy, then data redundancy. There are no duplicates, means there is less storage. In file system, there is more storage consumed as compared to DBMS. Okay, then in file system it's very hard to retrieve someone's data as compared to DBMS. We'll take an example of our college only. We all have our roll numbers. Like if I enter some roll number, I'll get the whole data of that person. In file system, it's not possible. What I want to say is, by this, can anyone say the meaning of rest of the two words? DBMS, totally. Any? No, I want meaning, not full form. Any definition? Yeah, it is a system. Means the system which handles data. Okay. Okay. I want to conclude here and hand over the mic to my rest of the teammates. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone, respected madam, students, and all my dear friends who are all present here. Now, my name is Sheikh Muhammad Sabri Baba. I am from CII branch. Now, we are going to discuss about subject DBMS. In DBMS, there are first we have to create one database to create a table. What is meant by database? Can anyone answer that? Yeah, collection of list data. So it is known as database. First, we have to create a database and then we have to create a table, and after that, we have to insert some values. This is one of the basic we have to learn in DBMS. That create a table that I can show with the practical. Can I have two boys to come onto the stage, please? Gopi, Swarup, once come on to the stage. Let's think he's tall and he's big. He is the table. Let's Gopi is the table name and Swarup is the inserting values. In table, we are insert. Come forward. In this table, we are inserting some values of Swarup, which are basically his Swarup is what is a student. We are inserting some student values in particular database, or this is the table and students values. If we want to update these values, we have to write update set and we have to update the values of Swarup to Swabir. So this is the main content in DBMS that we can be executed in the exam local server. It can be available in Chrome. This is I have taught to you. It can be understand to you. And thank you. Thank you very much.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all, and our respected sir and our HOD ma'am. Am I audible to everyone? Okay. Am I audible to everyone? So, in this presentation, I want to present what is DBMS, SQL commands in DBMS. So, can you say what is DBMS? How is it useful in our branch CSE? Can anyone? Rajini? Yes, you are absolutely correct. We can manage the data. We can retrieve the data. Now, I would like to give all the types of database in database management system. There is mainly 5 types. They are DDL. Can anyone explain what is DDL? Data. Can you please stand up and say? Can you have any idea about that? Create. Okay, I will say. In data definition language, there is mainly 4. The first one is create. Second one is alter, drop, and truncate. Create is used for creating a table. If we want to create a table, first we will use create table name. Here we will create a table in the name of persons. In the table, in the brackets, we will use what columns we will insert onto the table. Here we will insert ID. To create a table, first we will insert columns and data type and range. Here we will first insert ID. ID is into data type. Its range is not null. And next one is last name. Last name is varchar. It ranges 255. After that we will put commas. After last we will definitely commas. Like that we will create a table. Drop. Drop command is used to drop a table. Like we will delete a table. To drop a table, we will use alter command. Alter table name. Drop column, first name. First, we will create a table. In that table, we will drop the column name, last name, first name. Next, we will move on to the another topic, alter and truncate. Alter table persons. Alter is used to manipulate the columns. Truncate is used to delete the table. Now let us move on to the another topic, data manipulation language. In data manipulation language, there is mainly 3 commands. The first one is insert, and the second one is update, and the third one is delete. If we want to insert any data into our created table, First, we will write this command into our server. Insert into table name values. We will insert the values of the columns according to that. Next, delete. Delete command is used to delete. Delete command is used to delete the data from the table. The syntax of delete is delete from student where last name is equal to Ram. Here we will delete it the one row of our table. Update. Update is used to update the values. Data query language. It is very important to all of us to do projects and everything. In data query language, the main command is select. Select statement is used only in this query language. If we create a table and we insert the statement select * from persons. Here * means all. We will select all the columns and rows in the table. We will get whole data in the table. Data control language. I don't know more and more about this. I will put on it. Data control language. It is mainly used in banks and some criminal cases. The main keywords of data control language is grant and revoke. Grant is used in banks, and revoke is also used to revoke the data. Now let us move on to the another topic, transaction control language. It is the main in banks. If we control the transactions, withdrawals and everything, transaction control language is very important to us. Example of TCL commands are commit, rollback, save point, transaction. Commit, use it to commit a transaction. Rollback, a transaction in case of any error occurs. Save point is used to save. Transaction is used to specify characters for the transactions. These are the main 5 types of query commands